Hey friends, who's hungry? Redneck Caviar, also known as Cowboy Caviar, is a delicious and hearty salsa made of black beans, black-eyed peas, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, olive oil, and red wine vinegar. First, roughly chop 5 Roma tomatoes, 1 medium yellow onion, half of a red onion, and 1 whole medium seeded jalapeno pepper. Place the ingredients in a food processor along with 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 bunch of fresh cilantro. Process the ingredients until they are slightly chunky, then transfer the mixture to a large bowl. Stir in 1 15-ounce can of drained black beans, 1 15-ounce can of drained black-eyed peas, 1 15-ounce can of drained whole kernel corn, half a cup of chopped green onions, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Cover the dip and refrigerate for 6 hours, stirring occasionally. Season with salt and pepper to taste just before serving. Follow me for more Southern recipes.